excuses. Give a nigga no excuses. Don't front cause you know I do this. Give a nigga no excuses. I wanna know what's on your mind. I wanna know all the things I could do to make you mine. Talk to me, tell that you scared just to open up. You can go ahead, live your life, girl, you grown enough. Focus on us, can I work on building trust? If you got a problem with me, call me up and we can sit down and discuss. Baby, I'm not in a rush. You stay 100 and I stay 100, it's a must. Focus on building the love and get rid of the lust. Tell me where you wanna go with us. This shit well deserved for both of us. Tell me what's up, please don't act like you ain't old enough. Yeah, I need somebody that's honest, I've been through enough. Yeah, look at my past with my exes, man, I had it rough. Now I'm letting my guard down, you lucky I'm giving a fuck. Yeah, hate when we text and we deep, yeah, I peep, you never texting back. Then I see you on the snap, so when you call, I'm like, no excuses. Give a nigga no excuses. Don't front cause you know I do this. Give a nigga no excuses. Give a nigga no excuses. Give a nigga no excuses. Don't front cause you know I do this. Give a nigga no excuses.
Maybe that's true.